The Turkish defense industry has once again captured global attention with the development of a new generation of unmanned combat aircraft, the TAI Anka-3. This aircraft is a stealth fighter drone with a flying wing concept designed for strategic bombing, precision strikes, reconnaissance, and modern electronic warfare missions. The Anka-3 was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. Closing parenthesis. The first stage in Anka-3 production is the construction of the aircraft's main structure. In this area, carbon composite sheets are cut using automated CNC machines with extremely high precision. Composite materials were chosen for their lightness yet strength, while also helping to reduce radar reflection. Technicians assemble the aircraft's internal frame using automated drilling robots. The wing section is one of the most complex components in Anka-3 production. The flying wing shape must be precisely crafted to ensure the aircraft's high aerodynamic stability. In this line, technicians use a laser alignment system to ensure the installation angles match the computer design. An error of even a few millimeters can affect the drone's flight performance. One of the Anka-3's distinctive features is its use of a turbofan jet engine, which provides significantly higher speeds than conventional propeller-driven drones. Initially, the aircraft used the AI-3-2 engine, but Turkey is also developing the domestic TAI TF1000 engine for future versions. On the engine assembly line, technicians install a concealed air intake system designed to reduce radar reflection. The air ducts are curved to prevent the engine's turbine blades from being directly visible to enemy radar. The engine is installed using an automated crane equipped with a high-precision laser sensor. Once installation is complete, the fuel, hydraulic, cooling, and electronic control systems are integrated. Stealth aircraft. The Anka-3 carries weapons inside the fuselage. The internal weapons bay is one of the most complex parts of the production line. Technicians install special launchers capable of carrying smart bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and precision-guided munitions. The weapons bay door system is tested thousands of times to ensure it can open and close quickly during a bombing run. The most critical part of the Anka-3 is its avionics system. This drone utilizes artificial intelligence technology and semi-autonomous capabilities to carry out modern missions in a sterile electronics room. Technicians install a modern radar, a digital navigation system, electro-optical sensors, a satellite communication system, a mission computer, electronic warfare equipment, a weapons control system. All cables are neatly ranged to reduce electromagnetic interference. The installation process is carried out in a temperature-controlled room to prevent damage to sensitive components. The Anka-3 is also designed to work alongside Turkey's next-generation fighter jets, such as the Khan, under the loyal wingman concept. This technology allows the drone to be controlled by a manned fighter jet in the air. The aircraft is tested at various altitudes and speeds to ensure aerodynamic stability. All flight data is recorded and analyzed in real time. TAI is now preparing for mass production of the Anka-3, with delivery targeted within the next few years. Turkey is even expected to order more than 50 units for its air force. The production of the Anka-3 demonstrates Turkey's development into a new force in the global combat drone industry. With a combination of stealth technology, artificial intelligence, and modern weapon systems, the Anka-3 is projected to be a vital asset in future warfare. The modern assembly line at the TAI facility demonstrates that Turkey is no longer merely a user of foreign technology, but has transformed into a manufacturer of advanced combat systems capable of competing in the global market. The Anka-3 is more than just an ordinary bomber drone. This aircraft symbolizes Turkey's ambition to build a modern, self-sufficient future air fleet capable of facing the challenges of next-generation warfare. Behind the Anka-3's sophistication lies a modern assembly line operating with high technology, precision robots, digital manufacturing systems, and strict quality control. The production of this bomber drone symbolizes the transformation of the Turkish aerospace industry into the era of stealth and unmanned warfare. The Anka-3 program began serious development in 2022, focusing on creating an unmanned combat aircraft capable of penetrating enemy air defenses. Unlike conventional drones, the Anka-3 uses a tailless design, resulting in a very small radar signature. Its shape resembles a modern stealth aircraft with a fuselage integrated into the wings. After the first prototype successfully flew in late 2023, production facilities began to be upgraded to enter mass production. TAI even stated that the final design of the Anka-3 had been frozen to ensure stable and efficient production at the Ankara Aerospace Industrial Complex. Production takes place in a high-tech hangar with a modern, digitally integrated manufacturing system. Each part of the aircraft is manufactured modularly, facilitating rapid assembly and thorough testing.